Hi everyone, here is KSTYLEYO. Today I'm going to talk about how to read dates in Korean. Number 2. Welcome back! If you're new to the channel, my name is Inyoung. I'm here to help you to improve your Korean language and learn Korean culture. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss out any single new video. And I post my videos every week on Wednesdays and Saturdays. Let's get started! This video is to follow up on a previous post, how to read dates in Korean. In that video, I explained how to read year and month. If you haven't seen the video, make sure to click the video here and watch that first. And the remaining part of the video was to explain about day. Day is pretty simple because you add day and il. Funny thing is that il has different meanings. Il can be also one in Chinese number system, also day, and also work. There's so many different meanings. Probably I'm not explaining everything here, but don't get confused with Chinese number 1 and il as day. In English, for example, you would say May 1st, 2nd, 3rd, things like that. But in Korean, you would say the Chinese numbers to represent the day and then add il. Il in this case is day. So let's say first, it becomes il. Together, il. And second, il. Third, 삼일. And so on. So let's do some quiz. So we learned year, month, and day. That's the order that we follow in Korean dates. So let's do some examples. Let's say in Western world, you will say August 16th, 2019. In Korean, we use year first, 2019, August 16. 2019년 8월 16일. 2019년 8월 16일. Second example, let's say October 2nd, 2000. So you're gonna say 2000 year first, August 2nd. 2000년 10월 2일. As I mentioned in the previous video, I say 10 becomes she. 4 months. You drop B. So 2000년 10월 2일. Sometimes in Western world, you're gonna use day first and then month, year. So let's say this example starts with day. 11th November 2025. So in Korean, it'll be 2025 November 11th. 2025년 11월 11일. 2025년 11월 11일. 11월 11일. This is kind of hard to say because so many R's to drag. 11월 11일. So the last example, let's do June 30th, 1988. So it starts with 1988. 1988년 6월 13일. New as well is an exception just like October. You don't pronounce the last consonant with months. Technically 6 is 6, but you're gonna say 6월. 1988년 6월 13일. I hope this video is clarifying how to read dates in Korean. If you like this video, make sure to give thumbs up and please feel free to write your questions and examples in the comment down below so that you can share your information with other learners in the KSTYLEYO community. Then, I see you guys next time. Bye bye!